Date and time clips.
To create a clip containing the current date or time, right-click on any empty slot and click New Date-Time Clip. A date-time clip is created by typing the text you want and adding these codes for the various elements of the system date and time. You type the clip here, and a preview appears here. Spartan comes with several ready-written examples. Click here to clear the examples and start our own clip. I'm typing today is and adding the day of the week by clicking on the code D5. I add the word the and click the code D3. Type the word of and click the code M4. Give the clip a title and save. A nice touch is to add the date to your signature block. After you save it, you can move it to your hotkey clips. Now when you type Ctrl+S, your signature block is pasted in complete with the current date.